and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys my FabFitFun box. This was a heavy box to throw. This is the Winter 2020 box and I'm so excited to dive into this. Now this FabFitFun box I do by myself. I get asked this every time I do these videos. I do not get PR by FabFitFun. I purchased the annual membership, so I pay ahead of time for the entire year, all 4 boxes, and that is how I'm able to get my box so quick because there are perks that come along with that, and that's why I chose to upgrade myself. So I'll just go over that kind of quick in case you're curious about it. So the box itself is $49.99 a box if you are seasonal. So if you're going box to box, it's $49.99. If you upgrade to the annual membership, it's $179. You save about $5 off each box, which is a little extra perk. You do also get extra customization options, so you get to choose, I think it's like 2 or 3 extra items per the box. And then of course the final thing is that early shipping, which sold me on it because FabFitFun does break it up into 3 different tiers of shipping. So they ship annual members first, and then seasonal members get split up into 2 different groups. One ships early in the month, one ships towards the end of the month into the next month. So I don't know, for me it just made sense to upgrade to this membership so that way I could get priority shipping and show you guys everything that's inside of the box ahead of time while not being on the PR list. But yeah, that's the deets on the FabFitFun box here. I mean, I already told you guys the price of it, so let's just go ahead and jump on into it. Need to cut this tape here so we can break on into this bad boy, which I did mention, right, that it's a quarterly box. I think I said that. So it only comes out 4 times a year. Oh yeah. And like usual here, we got a bunch of different promo codes for different companies here. They really filled up the box this time. And then of course we got our FabFitFun magazine here, which this one has just a few different articles in it. It's got all the products that we get inside the box. It's got recipes, it's got lots of stuff in here, so that's that one. And then now we got the items, the good stuff in the box here, which you guys know I like to do these unboxings, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the all-member customization options, work my way to the select options, and then the FabFitFun picks. So let's go through option number 1 for all members to choose from. There were 7 different choices. So the first one was the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, 50 bucks. The second was the Unhide Little Marshmallow Blanket, $65. The third was the Bomb She Sloan Champagne Flutes, set of 4. The fourth, Summer and Rose Cozy Robe, 70 bucks. Fifth, the Loli Beauty Tea Seed Elixir, $42. Sixth was the Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine Stud Earring set of 2, 68 bucks. And then the 7th was the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, $89.99. And out of all of those options, I chose the Little Marshmallow. I could not resist. So they actually had this option last winter, and I chose this one that year too. But it was a different color option. This year it was the gray Little Marshmallow Blanket, so you can see it here. Last option, I'm actually sitting on it. You're gonna be like, what? But I use it on my little stool that I sit on and record in because it's so soft. This was last year's option. It was a cream colored one. Here's the gray one. I couldn't resist. This thing is so soft. I mean, honestly, it's one of the softest blankets I've ever felt. It is really nice, and that's why I couldn't resist. So I'm not mad at it at all that they put this one in this year again because I thought this was a great blanket. 100% recommend. Well, let me get my little like fashion moment back here going. I'm trying today, I'm trying. All right, option number 2 for all members here. This time we got 6 options. The first one was the Lily Pulitzer Ceramic Mugs set of 2, 42 bucks. The second was the Caudalie Venosource Moisturizing Sorbet, 39 bucks. Third, the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, $78. Fourth, the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, $68. Fifth, the Lucky Brand Solid Brushed Scarf, $69.50. And sixth, the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror, $45. And the item I chose was the Impressions Vanity Mirror. And And honestly, at first I saw this item and I was like, you know what? I have a lot of mirrors. Probably want to choose that one. And then I was like, wait a second. Gift idea. Hold up, I know someone else who would love this mirror and does not have one already, so I grabbed it as a gift idea. I thought it would be really fun. I don't know if you guys have thought of it before either. I don't know if I'm just now being like light bulb, but I mean, the winter box, it's so close to the holiday season. You could always pick up some items that maybe you know some of your friends are gonna like or someone close to you. But yeah, that's why I got this one. It's the white LED mirror, so it looks like that. I'm not gonna open this one because I am gonna be gifting it, but here's a look at how the mirror operates there. It does say it's got the adjustable brightness, a soft touch sensor, so you can touch the front screen there to make the lights turn on. Long-lasting LED, dual power source, so looks like you can charge it with a charger or batteries. That's cool, and then it has a tilt, so you can change it. All right, let's move on to our third all-member option, which this time there were 5 different choices. Number 1 was the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara, 28 bucks. The second was the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette, $45. Third, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More's Pore Purifying Cleanser, 36 bucks. Fourth item was another Dr. Brandt product, and it was their Skincare Pore Dermabrasion, $58. Fifth was the Lily Sadoui Maroon Velvet Headband, $49. I felt like that one just seemed a little bit expensive for it being a headband, but to each their own. And then the one that I chose from that one was the Laura Geller palette. So let me remove it from its bubble wrap. This was a palette I did not yet own, so I was like, you know what, let me try it. It's not like I don't have enough makeup as it is. But here she is, the Cinnamon and Spice palette. And it looks like we got 12 eyeshadows in here. Let me do some swatches. I did have to go under the palm of my hand here because my sleeve got stuck there. Couldn't bring it up any higher. But we got 4 mattes, and then the rest are shimmers and metallics. It just looked like a really pretty color combo to me, honestly. That's actually why I chose it, because I thought it would just be kind of like a staple eyeshadow palette based on the color scheme. And I actually haven't tried a whole lot of Laura Geller eyeshadow palettes before, so I figured why not? And then that was it for the all member choices. So if you're a seasonal member, that is where you would end your customization option. But if you're an annual member, you do get 2 more customization options, which I am, so I did get to choose from these next 2. So for our 4th item here, there was only 4 choices. First choice was the Kate Spade New York Workout Socks, set of 2 pairs, $24. Second was the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, 30 bucks. Third was the Mook Lux Cabin Socks, $25. The fourth was the Voyeur Hair Care, I hope I said that right, Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox, 28 bucks. So I was torn between the last choice of the hair mask, because you guys know I love my hair products, but the Kate Spade side of me ended up winning on that one. I don't know why, I grabbed the sock, I don't know. I was just like, you know what? Why not? Out of the box. I can feel a little bit bougie. I never buy the socks in store. So here's what the socks look like. And I mean, they just look so interesting. So you got the little spade here on the side. And then they're open. Oh, whoops, wrong space. Open. So it's got this hole in the front where your foot is, and then it's got the rubber here at the bottom, so it's got the no slip grip. I mean, it says that they're workout socks, but I'm like, are you supposed to work out in just the socks? I don't know. I don't really find these no slip grips to be that comfortable inside of shoes, so it confused me a little bit. I just mainly picked them because I was like, you know what, around the house shoes, or not shoes, sorry, socks. Bougie moment. I couldn't help myself. So for our 5th item, we got 3 choices. They're going down just 1 each time here, it seems like. So the first option for the 5th item is the Beautinique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, 25 bucks. The second was the EPAR Cutting Boards, set of 4, $19.95. And third was the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder, $24. And I chose probably the least exciting option here. I chose the cutting boards. I needed new cutting boards. I was like, okay. Why not? Oh geez, a little gift to myself. So here's the different cutting boards. You got the different colors for the different types of things you're supposed to use it for. Or like, so they say. You got a little shrimp down here on the light green one. Some veggies on the dark green one. A chicken here on the yellow. And then some beef, or is that lamb, on this one. They have a weird scent. I can't quite pinpoint that, but that's a strange scent. Interesting. All right, and then now we got just 3 more items in the box, and this one nobody got to choose from. It is picked by FabFitFun. I do still have the options here that could have been inside the box. So the 6th item in the box, there were 3 different choices for them. The Wish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean, 20 bucks. Second, the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches, 18 bucks. Third, the Below the Belt Croc Card Case, $35. And what they gave me the Wish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean. Exfoliates brown sugar, raspberry seed, bamboo powder, moisturizes with shea butter, raspberry butter, aloe, and renews with vitamin E extract and avocado oil. Oh, and it comes out in a squeezy tube. Oh, and you can't smell that vanilla bean. It smells good. I'm happy with that option. All right. Let's go to our 7th here. So this one, they had only 2 options. First, the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush, $20. And then second was the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies, 25 bucks. And the one they gave me was the scrunchies here. So there we go. We got 3 different colors of the leopard. I mean, it's a scrunchie. Put your hair in it. That's about it. Yeah, feels stretchy like a scrunchie. The one thing I can't help but think with these is it really 25 bucks for 3 scrunchies? It seems a little bit expensive to me. I mean, I'm okay with getting them in the box, but I don't know if I'd go out and spend $25 on 3 scrunchies. That's just me though. But anyways, we got one more product inside of the box here. So let's go through the last customization option that FabFitFun chose. For this one, there were, again, 3 different options. First up was the Aesthetica Liquid Eyeliner, 21 bucks. Second was the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, 20 bucks. Third was the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher, $27.50. And they gave to me, I think, the Phase Zero, the blusher. Let me pull it out the little box here, so that way we can take a little look at this guy. And there is the blusher. And the shade name was the Making Moves. And it looks like it's a coral with a little bit of a shimmer. Not a whole lot of shimmer, just a little bit. When you kind of shift it in the light, you can see it a little bit. So a super cute blush shade in my opinion, very wearable. And I mean, first impressions from the hand swatch, it looks pretty pigmented. I gotta try it with a brush though and put it on. Phase Zero is a totally new to me brand. But that was it, you guys. That was our last item. Well, actually, they put in a Kind Thins bar. Dark chocolate, nut, and sea salt, 90 calories. I wonder if this is a promo for like a new type of Kind bar. I haven't heard of the Thins before. I like these ones. I'm gonna eat that as soon as we're done here. But that was the very last FabFitFun item here for the box of winter. But here's one last peek at my box. All 8 of my items that I chose for this box. I'm doing a quick calculation here. I can tell you guys that my box value was $271.45. That is really good for just paying, if you're a seasonal member, $49.99. And if you're an annual member, the $44.99. So I mean, you get way above what you paid, which is always awesome. As far as the items go, I mean, I have to admit I am pretty happy with my choices. I do get the added bonus, you know, being the annual member, I do get to choose a whole lot more of my box. It kind of just helps to ensure I'm gonna like my box that much more because I do get those extra choices. So I mean, yeah, I did really enjoy my winter box. I think I got some good stuff. I don't really have any complaints, except for the price of the scrunchies just seemed a little weird to me. But so let me know down below in the comment section if you guys are picking up the FabFitFun winter box and what you are putting inside of it. Hopefully I helped your selection process if you haven't already chosen yet. Hopefully I helped you guys out. But if you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!